Hi, I'm Dr. Manjula HM, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist practicing at Narayana Multispecialty Hospital, HSR branch. As you all know, we are in the declining phase of COVID-19 pandemic, which has hit very badly in Karnataka, especially Bangalore. We are seeing many pregnant women with COVID positive status. Today, I am here to give some information about COVID infection during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Due to the changes in the body and the immune system, a pregnant woman can get affected badly with the respiratory infection. So it is very important for them to protect themselves against corona infection. It's like getting any other viral infection. Most of the time it will be very mild and that can be treated symptomatically at OPD basis. So who are all at high risk? Pregnant women who are older, like elderly, more than 35 years of age, if they are obese or if they have any pre-existing medical conditions like diabetes mellitus or pregnancy-induced hypertension, bronchial asthma, pulmonary tuberculosis or DVT, that is deep vein thrombosis, etc. Such kind of patients may develop severe form of this COVID infection. Especially those who get corona infection in the last trimester, they may require hospitalization and they may need intensive care treatment. Such kind of patients may have a worst maternal outcome, although the absolute risk remains very low. Now, what are the effects of this COVID infection during pregnancy? There might be increased risk of miscarriage, preterm labor, or there might be decreased fluid around the baby. There might be growth restriction or very rarely intrauterine fetal death. The transmission of the disease from mother to child, that is called the vertical transmission, is very low as per the available data. In fact, the infants born to the COVID positive mother are having a very good outcome as per the available data. So what precautions you need to take? You can protect yourself by washing your hands more frequently, wear mask properly, avoid crowded places, maintain social distancing and avoid touching eyes, nose, mouth. Maintain respiratory hygiene, practice deep breathing exercises. You always be alert about pregnancy related warning signs and symptoms and hydrate yourself. So eat healthy nutritious food, add more liquids and fresh fruits and juices. During early pregnancy, you can opt for the teleconsultation to prevent hospital exposure. You can discuss about your medications, antenatal care and also regarding the appointment for ultrasound. Those who are in home isolation with asymptomatic COVID positive or if they have mild infection, they should be in touch with the treating doctor. If they have any deteriorating symptoms like high fever, breathing difficulty, decreased fetal movement, or if they have any oxygen saturation, it is below 94 at room temperature, they should get hospitalized immediately so that we can give a appropriate treatment at the right time to prevent a worst outcome. Should the pregnant women be tested for COVID-19? The treatment protocols and eligibility criteria depends on where you stay. It varies. If they have any respiratory symptoms like cough, fever, breathing difficulty, definitely they have to be tested for COVID positive. It may be an rapid antigen or RT-PCR test. It is better to do the COVID screening before or at the time of admission to the labor and delivery so that we can take precautions to prevent nosocomial transmission of the disease. We at Narayana screen all the pregnant women at the time of admission. Breastfeeding should be encouraged. You need to wash your hands before and after touching or feeding the baby. Wear the mask properly and you need to wash or sterilize the cloths or the articles or the utensils which come in contact with you and your baby. If you have a severe infections with the productive cough and the high fever, you can express the feeds and you can give it to the baby as per your pediatrician's advice. Now, coming to the COVID vaccination during pregnancy, should be given or not? Yes, it has to be given. As per WHO, ACOG and UK guidelines recommend vaccination, that is COVID vaccination, for all pregnant and breastfeeding women. In Western countries, they have already started vaccinating all pregnant women without any significant side effects. Even in India, ICMR and the FOXI strongly recommend COVID vaccination during pregnancy and lactation. Different vaccines are available like Covishield, Covaxin, Sputnik, etc. with equal efficacy. Those who are planning for pregnancy or if they want to start fertility treatment, they should be vaccinated with COVID-19, and there is no contraindication to take the vaccination during menses. To conclude, pregnancy with COVID infection has become very common, should be treated with utmost care to get better maternal and fetal outcome. We are here to clear your queries. Be safe. Thank you.